Utilizing the Teams function in Microsoft Teams will allow users to create groups or projects to collaborate and stay organized. To create a new team, once you have the Microsoft Teams application opened, select the Teams icon located here on the left side of the screen. Start by selecting Join or Create a Team here. Select Create a Team, then start from scratch. Set your permissions if this is a private team or public to your organization. Give your team a name and a description if you choose, and select Create. From here, you can start to add team members and begin chatting, sharing files, or start a meeting. Now you're set and ready to use the Teams function in the Microsoft Teams application.